please.
Please remember to use headphones when listening to music, even if your playlist is straight fire. Transfer is available to the E and F trains. Transfer to the LaGuardia Link Q70 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport. Transfer to the Q53 Select Bus Service. Tell them Awkwafina sent you. You won't get a discount or anything I just missed. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 69th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. On the stops, baby. The next stop is Woodside, 61st Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
All the stops, baby.
Is Woodside, 61st Street. Please help us keep the subway clean. Just the inside, though. Don't go crazy. Transfer is available to the LaGuardia Link Q70 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport. Transfer to the Q53 Select Bus Service. Connection is available to Long Island Railroad. Listen, I can't help you once you get to Long Island. That's on you.
Oh.
This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 express train. The next stop is Court Square. Flushing Main Street, bound 7 local train. The next stop is Court Square. Jackson Avenue. Hey fellas, stop manspreading. Thanks and have a great day. Next stop is in Manhattan, so we're going underwater. Hold your breath, just kidding. The next stop is Grand Central 42nd Street.
Stand clear of the closing.
This is Grand Central 42nd Street.
Available to 4, 5, and 6 train. Transfer is available to Shuttle Times Square. Connection is available to Metro North.